We start with the latest in the redistricting battle. Today, California Republicans filed an emergency petition with the state Supreme Court. They say the process is unconstitutional. They allege redistricting violates the state's constitution, bypasses the 30-day public review period for new legislation, and takes away voter rights to independent redistricting.
That as long as I have breath in my body, I'm going to fight every step of the way this from happening. Every loophole that they do, every constitutional measure that they break, we're going to challenge them in court.
Last week, Governor Gavin Newsom signed the package of bills that creates a special election for November 4th. A spokesperson for Yes on 50 says the petition is, quote, an attempt to protect Trump's power grab and prevent the voters from having their say on Prop 50. And new tonight, Governor Gavin Newsom is taking the fight nationwide. He started a website selling merchandise that parodies the president. As ABC 10's Garjpal Sangha explains, it's all sparking a big debate.
It looks like a page straight out of Trump's playbook. But instead of Make America Great Again, the new merchandise says things like, Newsom was right about everything.
Love it.
I thought it was hilarious, honestly.
And Newsom's sticking up for the Democrats, and we love that.
Other voters say it's about time the Democrats play the same game.
Yeah, it does excite me a bit that Gavin Newsom is doing something more to fight back against Trump.
Governor Gavin Newsom's Political Action Committee, Campaign for Democracy, runs the Patriot Shop and says it pulled in more than $100,000 in its first day online. ABC 10 asked this campaign for comment, and it said, quote, if Trump keep handing us material, we'll keep punching back with it. The merch is flying, Dems are fired up, and we're just getting started. But the question is this an effective strategy?
I'm excited. I think people around the country are excited.
Ed Emerson, a Democratic consultant.
The strategy always is find the base, energize them, give them something to do, repeat, repeat, repeat. And I think that's what Gavin's doing right now, and I think it's a winning strategy.
Obviously, the Republicans don't agree.
The reality is much of the excitement that Republicans have for President Trump is directly tied to the failed policies of the Democratic Party and how they've literally taken the 20% side of every 80-20 issue. And Gavin Newsom has been a leader in that over the last decade.
For this couple visiting from Orange County, this husband is a moderate and welcomes the new merchandise. His wife is a Republican.
No, I don't like it. That's already for Trump. Let Newsom find his own things to advertise.
How do you guys make this work?
We fight our own battle, but then if it's time to say, okay, let's agree to disagree, we settle for it.
It's something like, I think that should be the American way.
Newsom's merch is turning heads and stirring debate. Reporting in Sacramento, Garjpal Sangha, ABC 10.
Garjpal, thank you. Meanwhile, the president is threatening legal action to stop redistricting right here in California.
I think I'm going to be filing a lawsuit pretty soon, and I think we're going to be very successful in it. We're going to be filing it through the Department of Justice. That's going to happen.
One law professor says state Republicans may have an uphill battle.
The proposed new map doesn't actually take effect unless and until the voters approve a constitutional change. That is, it's just a piece of paper and designed to be just a piece of paper unless the voters approve a constitutional change. It's a thing that has a future trigger, but it doesn't have any legal impact right now.
Levitt says Trump may have similar issues challenging California after the U.S. Supreme Court decided in 2019 that federal courts should stop policing partisan gerrymandering.